How to apply for Amazon warehouse jobs in the UK. Looking for a steady job with flexible shifts and great benefits? In today's video, I'll walk you through exactly on how you can apply for the Amazon warehouse jobs in UK. Whether you're full-time, part-time, or looking for seasonal work, we'll cover the step-by-step process, application tips, what to expect during hiring, and how to boost your chances of getting hired. So basically, let's get started. Now, the first thing that I want to talk about is what are Amazon warehouse job. Amazon warehouse roles involve tasks like picking and packing items, sorting parcels, staging deliveries. Now, there are different types of warehouse jobs or roles. You have the fulfillment center, which is FC. You have your sorting centers, SC, and you have delivery stations, DC. Now the shifts can be day, night, weekends, or flexible hours. So basically, this is ideal for students, career starters, part-time workers, and job switchers. This is also an entry-level job because it requires no experience at all. And so basically, where to go ahead and apply for a Amazon warehouse job. Now for the Amazon Jobs UK, you can just navigate through amazon.jobs-location-United Kingdom. Or you can also navigate through a website called jobs.amazon.co.uk. And from here, you just want to click on the See All Jobs button. And simply inside this page, you then want to go ahead and insert your postal code or city. Click on the next button, and from here you then want to insert on how many hours a week you want to work. Now once again, it could be a part-time job, a full-time job, or any. From here you then want to click on the next button, and simply inside this page you then want to go ahead and choose how long are you planning to work at Amazon. Now it's going to be permanent, which is more than 3 months, or a fixed term, 3 months or less. Right after that, just click on done, and from there you will be able to go ahead and see all of the jobs in or nearby your city. So once again, you can just go ahead and customize this the way you want to. Unfortunately for London, England, permanent and within 30 miles, there is no jobs available. But once again, you can just customize this the way you want to. Now you can also go ahead and find job on job boards like indeed.co.uk, read.co.uk, or at the CV library. So you can just go ahead and browse through those websites and look for an Amazon warehouse job or an Amazon job overall. And lastly, we have agencies. Amazon often works with staffing partners like PMP Recruitment or Adecco. You want to use filters like location, shift types, or start date, as I have shown earlier. Now, let's then navigate through the step-by-step application process. Here's how to apply on the official Amazon Job UK site. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to amazon.jobs, and from here you then want to insert your location. Once again, in my case, I'm going to be using London, United Kingdom as an example. And from here, you then want to go ahead and browse for listings like opportunities for student, warehouse and hourly jobs, and software development. In our case, it's going to be the warehouse and hourly jobs. So just click on the View Open Jobs button, and then inside you will be able to go ahead and see this page. So you just want to navigate through the Amazon warehouse category, and you want to look for the View United Kingdom jobs. So just click on the option right here. And right after that, you will now be taken to this option. Once again, navigate through the warehouse operative, click on the Find Out More button. And from here, it will then take you to the overall job status or description right here. So just click on the Join Amazon Now. And once again, it will then take you to this page where you then have to simply wait for a job opening nearby your location. So basically, after applying for a job or after you see a job opening, you can just click on the apply now button. You can then go ahead and create an Amazon.jobs account or sign in your own account if you already have one. From there, you then have to complete your details like personal details, work eligibility. Now you must have the right to work in the UK. You have your availability, your shift preferences, and more. From there, you just have to submit your application. You may not need a CV for warehouse roles, but it's a plus if you have one. Basically, what happens after you apply for the Amazon warehouse job? You'll go ahead and receive a confirmation email. Amazon may send a link for a virtual job tryout. It's optional for some roles. You'll be invited to select an interview slot or hiring event. Some locations use same-day offers. Then you have the right to work, which is RTW documentation, and then you have to submit that online. Now, the documents that you'll need in order to go ahead and apply for this job is a valid passport or UK driver's driving license, national insurance number, proof of address, it could be your utility bill, bank statement, and more, and work visa if applicable. Now, some additional tips to basically get hired faster. You want to be flexible with your shift availability. You want to apply in high demand locations or peak hiring seasons, which is going to be October and December, because as you can see right now, there are no job openings. You want to check Amazon Flex for drivers option if you're eligible, and you want to keep your mobile and email active. They may contact you within 48 to 72 hours. Now, as a bonus, you want to make sure that your CV, if needed, is clean, includes availability, and emphasizes time management, physical fitness, teamwork, or fast-paced work experiences. Now, let's talk about some pay benefits and what to expect on the job. Now, the pay is going to be from €11.80 to €14.40 an hour depending on shift and location. Overtime often pays 1.5 times. Weekly or bi-weekly pay. You have your benefits like pension, staff discounts, paid holiday, on-site canteen, training and promotional opportunities, and more. You want to expect to be on your feet a lot, lifting parcels for up to 23 kilograms. Now, you then have the onboarding and first day experience. Basically, once hired, you'll get onboarding emails. You have to attend a paid instruction or training day. You'll get your badge, safety equipment, and locker. And for the dress code, it's a steel-toe shoes, no jewelry, and comfy clothes. So that's your full walkthrough on how to apply for the Amazon warehouse jobs in the UK. It's a great way to earn consistent income, whether you're between jobs or looking for something steady. If this video has helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your questions or hiring experience. Good luck on your application, and thanks for watching.